Okay, people, tonight we're having spaghetti. In my pan I have ground beef, red, green peppers and onions, and mushrooms. Okay, this is browning nicely. Still got a little ways to go. And we'll be back. I've got my water on to boil with a little salt in it. And I'll be adding my noodles when it comes to a boil. Also, we'll be having breadsticks. I've got them on the pan thawing now. I had a bag in the freezer. And we will brush those with butter, a little garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Okay, our ground beef is brown. We will now drain the grease off of that and begin to add our sauce. And I don't have store-bought. I make my own. My grandson says it's better than store-bought. Simple. Okay, catch you in a few. Gonna go drain this grease. Okay, I have drained the grease, added my tomato sauce, and some diced tomatoes. Now I'm going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. Okay, as you can see, I have added my seasonings. And now we're going to mix it all up. See you back in a few. Okay, we've got it all mixed well. And we will continue to let this simmer. I don't have any time on anything. I just play. Alright. We got our noodles a boiling here. And our spaghetti is simmering. Okay, we have our melted butter, our garlic salt, and some parsley to make it look pretty. And I'm gonna prepare my breadsticks for the oven. Alright. Gonna brush our sticks with butter. Sprinkle with garlic. Okay. I'm about to put my breadsticks in the oven, and just for the record, I did put on the Parmesan cheese. Spaghetti is done, or the meat part of it, and our noodles are done. And I just put my breadsticks in the oven, and we're waiting on those, and we'll eat. But I will be back to show the finished product once it's plated. See you soon. Did I say product? My bad. I meant dish. Our breadsticks are now out of the oven, all golden brown. And here you have it. Mama Bird's spaghetti with homemade sauce and garlic Parmesan breadsticks. I sprinkle those with a little parsley flakes to make them pretty. There you have it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.